Good morning, everybody. How's it going? All right. So this morning, a couple of you asked, we're gonna trim up some of these Brussels sprouts and get them ready, so that way the Brussels start producing larger Brussels sprouts. And so the way that we're gonna do that is we're gonna trim away all this extra. And remember, when a plant grows, it is putting energy into its leaves. Well, the Brussels come from right here in the, what I call, just like on a tomato, like the armpit of the branch and the stem or base of the plant. So they're produced right here. And so by cutting off these branches, which is what we're going to do, it will help those put the energy into the Brussels sprouts rather than the leaves and continued growth. So it's about that time. They have started forming. You can see the little Brussels in there. So now we know it is time. So I am going to show you how we do this. All right, you get in here and you are just going to trim away all of these branches. And this will help promote good growth, on your Brussels sprouts. Now keep in mind, as you'll see as I work my way up, I'm not going to get rid of the entire top half of the plant. We still need the plant to take in a substantial amount of energy and light.
And you're leaving about what, 3/4 of an inch, an inch?
Yeah, just right before the Brussels. It's almost like you're giving the Brussels a little shelf to sit on, if you will. Think of it like that. And some people just break these. They will break clean, so if you don't have a pair of pruners or you're out in the garden and you don't have them with you, you can just snap these and that will work just fine as well. So I'm going to leave about that much on the top. So as you can see, just enough there to where the plant will still take in some light and be able to put the energy into those Brussels. So I'm gonna quickly go through these and then I'll be back to show you what they look like when they're finished. Alright guys, welcome back. Here is kind of what we have removed. I know for some of you it may seem like a lot, but that's what we removed from the plants, and this is what they look like. So this was what I was talking about, where I was saying the sprouts are going to start growing here, and you can see a lot of them forming, which is why I knew this was time to do this. So now they will grow big, and you can see I've left the top parts of them. Some are smaller than others. I'm going to go ahead and stake these. Here in 7B we get a lot of wind, and so I want to stake them so that way they don't snap or blow over in case we get a very bad storm. So that was just kind of a quick little tutorial on some Brussels sprouts and how to trim them and how to care for them. I'm going to plant some beans, as you see here, in between all of these to kind of take up that extra space, because I believe in using the whole garden, and companion planting, as you know, is a big part of that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Like and subscribe. We love to hear your feedback, so comment below, ring that bell if you like it. And we'll see you guys soon.